When you're using the Insta360 ONE X camera, it's good to make sure that you have plenty of storage on the camera as well, so it can take the photographs and load them into the Hive app. To make sure you've got plenty of storage, the best thing to do is pair up the camera to the Insta app, and then you'll be able to check all the photos on there and delete off any if applicable. So as you'll see from my screen recording on the right hand side, the camera is paired up to the Insta360 app, and then I've clicked on the album section on the bottom, and it will bring up all the photographs that are stored on this camera. So then I can press the little tick button at the top right hand side and select any photographs I want to delete out. So I can select those photographs, and then at the bottom left there'll be a little bin. Hit the bin and I can delete all of those photographs. So that means I can get rid of any unwanted photographs, and that means there's plenty of storage on the Insta360 camera.